Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Cameron. I'm back with another reaction video. How's everybody doing? How's everybody feeling today? If you had to go to work, 9 to 5 job, I know I should probably be stressed as a motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? But doing it for a good cause. If you went to school today, if you had to do anything with your own business, I hope you're having a great day. I hope everyone had an amazing day. Now, today we're gonna react to Las Vegas judge attacked in court at sentencing. I've seen the clip already. You know what I'm saying? And the shit is fucking hilarious. You know what I'm saying? I've seen it already, but I want to see what led up to him doing that, because it's no way that you just and jumped over the podium. You know what I'm saying? Jumped over the thing. I don't know what that shit is called. Podium, judge station. I don't know what it's called, but to see somebody jump off the floor over the barrier joint like that had me in tears. So today we're gonna react to what happened and what caused it to happen. Before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, turn on post notifications, and notified every time I post a video. Also, if you guys have any videos like from react to my social media sites in the description below, feel free to send them in and I react to them. With that being said, let's get right into this video.
Alright. This is time set for entry of judgment and position of sentence. Or a legal cause or reason why judgment should not be pronounced against you at this time? By virtue of your plea of guilty, I hereby judge you guilty of attempt, battery, or substantial bodily harm. My notes indicate the state retained the right to argue through the bench warrant. Is that correct? Yep.
That is correct, Judge.
All right. State.
Based on the criminal history, Judge, they're listed in the PSI. I know you see all this already.
I don't know if I can hear it because I can barely hear it. Let me see.
My concerns are there are crimes of violence.
Yep.
In the PSI, 3 felonies, 1 probation revoked. But you do see on page 5 there are many probation violations, 1 remands on a probation discharge for. But I have concern based on the nature of the criminal history, home invasions, batteries, battery, domestic violence, assault with another weapon in this case that led to an attempt, battery, substantial.
Damn, my son was outside walling.
I think felony is appropriate, and I think a prison term would be appropriate.
Is there any restitution or victim impact?
No, Judge, not that we have today. So, but I do think prison is appropriate. I asked the court to oppose 1948 on this case based on the criminal history and the facts of this case.
Okay. Mr. Redden, is there anything you want to say on your own behalf before I pronounce sentence?
So basically, I would like to tell the courts, everyone here, like, based on my criminal history, like, I feel that, like, I shouldn't be, like, sent to prison for a second time.
Have you looked at your criminal history? Have you looked at your criminal history?
I actually just, I looked at it.
I mean, you lived it, I
I
suppose.
just looked at it, yeah.
Yeah.
And, you know,
3 felonies, a gross, 9 misdemeanors, multiple DVs. Got a lot going on, sir.
yeah, I just figured, like,
Battery on a protected person,
Damn, let me
robberies,
talk.
attempt home invasion. Go ahead, I didn't mean to interrupt you.
Yeah, like I be like I don't. I want to say this not before, but I want to say this now. Like, I don't condone what the fuck he did whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? I don't recommend that to no one. Don't go attack to nobody in a higher law enforcement, no government assistant, none of that. You know what I'm saying? Because them people come with big charges. You know what I'm saying? But I be feeling like these judges, when I see a lot of cases and shit, like, judges be ODing. Being very disrespectful, coming at their face crazy, saying how they feel. And I get it. A lot of these cases, a lot of people be wilding. I get it 110%. But I feel like when it comes to being a judge, and I'm not a judge, but I just feel like when it comes to being a judge, you should leave your personal feelings out of it. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody ain't going to be as lenient, or everybody ain't going to be as, how can I say, everybody's not going to be as calm about it. You know what I'm saying? Because you're being disrespectful about how you're saying it. And they got feelings too. Criminals are criminals, and they commit the crimes, and they, you know what I'm saying? But they, at the end of the day, they do got feelings. I'm not saying, oh, we should be more remorseful for them, because they probably didn't get remorse about who they did the crime to, or what they did. But I feel like when it comes to this judge shit, they be giving their opinions, and that shit sometimes be giving them fucked up. And this is why I wanted to see what happened before, because that shit is crazy for somebody to just want to jump over the shit and attack a judge.
I just figured like
She cut him off like 3 times already.
Place in my mind, my mental health, I have a support system. I just got hired as a teamster for the union, making $20 an hour, and like the reason behind every single domestic violence, I've been dealing with mental health, and I didn't know that I was dealing with mental health. And they put me in mental health court, and I still didn't know.
Look, this nigga right here, he's like, bro, what the fuck are you talking about?
Health problem. And so it was August 2022 when I realized I have a problem with this, and like having a dictionary and like understanding myself, getting to know myself a little better, and applying it to my personality, and having an epiphany at that moment, in those instances, and just like trying to learn from my mistakes, And I feel like I shouldn't be sent to prison, but if it's appropriate for you, then you have to do what you have to do. But I figure that if I'm in a better
You said
place
all of
in my
that. You know what I'm saying? New job, support system, getting mental help, I all of that. And still did what you did. Yeah, bro, what the fuck is going on, people, bro?
I'm not doing drugs. I'm not out there committing crimes.
This why they put your ass in jail the first time.
And I feel like I should be given a shot because I'm in a better place than I was then, so because I'm a person who never stops trying to do the right thing, no matter how hard it is. And I just, and I'm trying, and I never give up trying to do the right thing. I know I'm not a rebellious person. I don't want to be standing there. I don't want you to have to, sit up there and waste your time as well, But the criteria of me saying this is that I'm a person that never stops trying to do the right things, even if it's hard. I did the best I could. I have mental problems.
Thank you. Mr. Almasi?
That nigga said all that shit just so he don't go to jail, bro. I feel like all that shit was bullshit. You know what I'm saying? He bad got the job, yeah. But he got, the help, yeah. But niggas just be doing shit so they can stay the fuck up out of jail. You know what I'm saying? You was a wild boy, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie to you. You was a wild boy. And I'm saying this because you just said all you said. I have the mental problems and I'm working on my behaviors and everything that I've done because of my criminal history is because I really have a bad problem. And you just said all of that shit and still went up there and caught another DV charge. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, yo, listen, man. Listen.
Contained the pre-sentence investigation report. My client was diagnosed with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. And speaking with him, it certainly seems that it's following the pattern. This court has seen similar times, so self-medication.
We've had 2 goes at mental health court, Mr. Almasi.
He does have 2 honorable discharges.
See, look at the face making, bro. Like, that shit is uncalled for, bro.
We've had 2 goes at mental health court, Mr. Almasi.
Look. What is the purpose to that? Why provoke people to do shit like that, bro? Like, I understand you're a judge. It's up to you. What happens to the person? I get it. But at what point do you feel like that? It's like, let me chill out. Let me not shit. Because my fear for all people that sit in these higher up places is that you're a person. You know what I'm saying? You are a human being. You bleed just like I bleed. You know what I'm saying? So you sit up there making all these faces and shit. God forbid you send him to 3-4 years in jail, 5 years in jail. He got a chance to come back outside. He know where you work at. So you gave him 5 years. You made up all the faces you made. Did you see your history? You don't deserve. You know what I'm saying? All that shit plays in the motherfucker head. Then he come back and he put some harm on you or you and your family. Like, that's why I feel like they should just leave that personal opinions out the shit. Do your job and go home. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't justify what he did. But I'm just saying, I think that if she didn't do what she did, he probably wouldn't have did what he did.
He does have 2 honorable discharges for probation.
And how the fuck he get past you, Mr. Court Officer? How he got past you? You know what I'm saying? You standing right next to the nigga. How the fuck he got past you? That's crazy, son.
Contained the pre-sentence investigation report. My client was diagnosed with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder.
I done seen so many memes about this shit. This shit funny as a motherfucker, bro.
This court has seen some of the time, so it's on vacation.
We've had 2 goes at mental health court, Mr. Almasi.
He did. He does have 2 honorable discharge from probation, so he can do probation. He can be successful when supervised. It is true that he did get.
Nah, we're not watching no ads. Fuck that. Fuck this.
Dishonorable discharge was revoked on the gross misdemeanor, and he was supervised for just very recently. But he is in a different position now. His foster mother, who is present, has to show support for his parents, Springer.
It's a grown ass man. What the fuck is foster mother gonna do?
Which is listed on the PSI. His current address of 8 Rose Circle, Apartment A in North Las Vegas. And she very graciously has allowed him to stay there rent-free until he gets on his feet. Now, he is now part of Union 631 with Teamsters and is hoping to work his way through that program so that he can maintain work. He's also reached out
Oh, he getting ready.
West for
Oh, he.
prospects that are available to him through them. Finally, Judge, it's not just his mental health he's been contending with, but he also has a history of IEP.
I never understood the job of a lawyer. Not saying that I don't understand it, but I never understood how someone could sit up there and fight for someone that constantly just be doing wild shit. You know what I'm saying? My client has a mental issue. How the fuck you gonna sit there and say that when this motherfucker done slapped 10 bitches, robbed 2 houses, fucking, you know what I'm saying? How you gonna say that? You clearly got a fucking problem. What's the reason for all to keep the bullshit? Go sit the fuck down. You know what I'm saying? That's what you need. But I never understand how lawyers do this shit, man. Because niggas really be wilding and lawyers really be in court trying to justify this shit. How? The motherfucker bugging.
And at 30 years old, he does not have a high school degree. And so we spoke about that as well, and I think it's high time that he did that.
30 years old with no degree. That's crazy.
He is going to perform well on probation.
High school diploma. I'm sorry.
I think he's worth this risk. The court wants the 1948 was suggested by the DA. I would have no issue with that, but to suspend it rather than just send him to prison for any length of time. I think it makes more sense given the circumstances.
I hope y'all can hear this. I don't know if y'all can, but I hope y'all
Do
can.
probation successfully that he given this opportunity.
I appreciate that, but I think it's time that he gets a taste of something else because I just can't with that history. In accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada, this court
Yo, why you ain't play that part in the video? I always heard.
I appreciate that, but I think it's time that he gets a taste of something else because I just can't with that history. In accordance with the laws of the state of Nevada, this court
Fuck that, bitch. Oh my god, bro. That shit happened. I can't crack up right now because like I already got it out. But when I first seen this shit, y'all, I promise y'all, I was in tears, bro. In tears. And look at the attorney. Look at the attorney. This is what I be saying. They be up there talking all this shit in this. He watching the whole show. You know what I'm saying? That is crazy, bro. You can't hurt nobody punching like this, man. You know what I'm saying? Use your fucking fist, bro. You know what I'm saying? You sit over here like a female. Use your fucking fist, man. You know what I'm saying? Up to look like a fucking girl. This is crazy. Look at the fucking attorneys, man. Where's the court officers in this shit? It's only one dude. Fuck up the judge. Fuck up the court officer.
Get off her! Get off her! Oh, you're good, stop! Don't do this! Hey, where's Mary Kate? Is she okay?
Cause you was, I don't know if that's the judge screaming please, but he doing that because you was up there making faces and shit. You know what I'm saying? Cutting them off, making faces, saying smart shit. That's why. I don't think you deserved it, but that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like you shouldn't have made no smart ass remarks, and he probably would have jumped up there and kicked your ass. You know what I'm saying? That shit is crazy. Yo, listen, man.
Hey, hey, radio somebody? Give me all the hot. Fucking radio somebody.
Where's the court officers?
Oh, shame, baby.
Oh no, we ain't doing that noise. Hold on. Where the judge at?
Today is the 23rd.
We're not watching no fucking ads. Turn this shit off. Sorry. What you said? She hit her head or he hit her head? Look at the look at the court officer walking around with tissue. Y'all need to be fired. Y'all ain't do y'all job. Y'all need to be fired. Damn, he whooped her ass. She ain't doing a court. She ain't doing she ain't gonna be a judge ever again. Nah, that's crazy, bro. Alright, that's enough of that. Hey, listen, man. I'm glad the judge is okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't never condone men putting their hands on females. You know what I'm saying? But every man has their own ways of living their lives. You know what I'm saying? He's fucking done. You know what I'm saying? They about to go to jail and have a field day with his black ass. Because whatever charges you were facing before, they about to double them and some new ones. And like they about to fuck you up, bro. They about to whoop your ass. You about to get your own domestic violence done against your ass. So listen, man, if you don't want to commit the crime, if you don't want to do the time, don't commit the crime. You know what I'm saying? He was outside wilding. Like you said, he had a lengthy rap sheet, a bunch of shit that he was doing, not learning lessons from the first couple times that he got arrested. Sent into prison the first time, still ain't learned lessons. So, hey, learn your lessons. Stay the fuck up out of trouble so you don't got to go through this shit. Like I said, I'm glad the judge lady is okay. You know what I'm saying? Again, I feel like the judges need to keep their personal opinions and remarks out of these cases because you never know who or how people are mentally and what they may do to harm you because of your remarks or how you sentence them. So I feel like you should keep your personal opinion out of it or expressions out of it so that way shit like this don't happen. But you know, again, I'm glad the judge lady is okay. If you don't want to do the time, don't commit the crime, and that's that. That's the end of the video. Wish you like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. You guys let me find this video, and until next time, I'll see y'all.